What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. JD here, back with yet another review for you guys. More Yeezys. In this video, we are going to be talking about the latest colorway of the Yeezy 350 V2. We are going to be talking about the Yeezy 350 Carbon. What's good, fam? Welcome back to another review. So in this video, I will be breaking down the sneaker. We'll get into the colorway. We'll also get into Yeezy hype in general. What's the status right now? We'll talk about sizing, resale predictions, and as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So we finally got the official release of this colorway, the Carbon colorway. We've been seeing pictures of this shoe for what feels like since before the summer began. The original name of this shoe was supposed to be the Azraels, but because that name has a lot of religious meaning to the Muslim community, it received a lot of backlash. So Adidas went ahead and changed the name to Carbon, and what they've also done is all of the upcoming colorways for the next few months, they removed the biblical names and instead named it after the colorways itself. I'm pretty happy about it personally. I was kind of tired of these names, Israfil, Yeshaya, Azaret, like I've had enough. There was quite a lot of stock of this sneaker. There were rumors that there were nearly 500,000 pairs. And here in Europe, at least, these were very easy to get. They were in fact sitting in a lot of stores. And even a couple of days after the official release, they were still sitting on some websites. But they are mostly sold out now, which kind of shows just how popular 350s still are, especially when you compare it to another Yeezy model, the 380s, which are still sitting in a lot of stores, even on sale in some stores. In this particular case, I think a lot of it also has to do with the colorway itself. I think this is actually one of the most wearable Yeezys we've seen drop in the last couple of years. It's just a nice, simple gray colorway with a cream midsole. The upper of this sneaker, I thought it looked black in pictures. It turns out there's just a lot of different shades of gray. I actually like this colorway a lot. In fact, if it did release maybe 2 years ago, I think the hype on this shoe would be insane and the resale price would be just as insane. Because as I said, this is a very wearable pair of Yeezys. You really can't go wrong wearing this with any outfit. The laces on this pair, so you get this bungee style lace that if you want to actually change, you're gonna have to pretty much cut these laces off. And we've been seeing this now in all of the recent 350s. And me personally, I know a lot of people probably don't agree with this, but I actually really like the way these look. You have this very clean look. It's a very seamless look, I think, and I like the fact that I don't have to actually tie my laces when I wear these. If you do prefer traditional laces though, they do give you an extra pair that you can put into these shoes, but you'll have to, like I said, cut these ones off first. On this particular colorway, there is no pull tab at the back. Nobody knows why certain Yeezys get them and why some don't. The sizing on this, so I went with my normal Yeezy size, which is always a half size up than pretty much every other shoe. So definitely go a half size up than your true size. Let's talk about resale. Before I do that, make sure you guys like this video if you found it useful, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Tons of videos on the way, including a very special pair of sneakers that I will be getting later on in the week. Can't wait to do that review for you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what that is. So make sure you guys are subscribed and turn the notifications on as well. So resale for this sneaker, currently there is a bit of resale in some sizes. If you're trying to sell it on StockX, you're probably not gonna make too much after fees, but definitely something if you wanna sell locally, you could make some profit. Based on how recent 350s have been doing on the resale market though, I'm not so sure if these are worthy of a hold. It seems like every single person out there has at least one pair of 350s. There's also a lot more quantity being produced, and the hype on 350s is simply not where it used to be. So we've kind of seen like Yeezy 350 prices kind of stagnate throughout this year. For example, the Zion pair that came out a few months ago, resale has pretty much not moved on that pair. In fact, it's even come down a little bit. Although this is a nicer and more wearable colorway, I honestly don't see the prices on these going up anytime soon. And considering that this is a $220 shoe, I would personally put my money elsewhere and I wouldn't want to hold on to these. Some people were actually kind of surprised these even released. If you've been following Kanye West on Twitter recently, you probably know why. He has been absolutely going off on Adidas, even saying how much he loves wearing Nikes and Jordans, even posting pictures of Jordans. So there were rumors that this release and future Yeezys might even be canceled. I personally don't see that happening. Kanye is still under contract with Adidas. Also, speaking of Yeezy resale, let's say hypothetically, let's say Kanye somehow leaves Adidas and joins either Nike or Jordan or even New Balance, whatever. If that happens, I would personally buy every 350 out there because the prices on those are gonna go up big time. If people know that there's not gonna be any more 350s releasing, then previous 350s for sure are gonna go up big time in value. Final thoughts, are these a cop or a drop? For me personally, these are a drop for two reasons. First of all, I don't even wear 350s. And second of all, even if I wanted to wear a pair of 350s, I would personally wait until December when we get the restock of the bread colorway. I would personally save my money for that rather than buying these. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon? Do you mess with this colorway? And give me your predictions too in the comments regarding Kanye. Do you think he's gonna actually leave Adidas and join another brand? Let me know. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. It's where I drop a ton of content, including fit pics and my stories. I'm always uploading to my stories every day. And it's also the easiest place to contact me. So make sure you guys follow me. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Thank you guys once again for messing with the channel. And until next time, guys, peace.